Hello and welcome back to week 3 of Bake at Work. Tonight we're going to make a simple, easy wheaten bread. So we've got 600 grams of wholemeal flour, we've got 60 grams of oats, we've got 20 grams of sugar, we've got 12 grams of baking soda and 8 grams of salt. So we just add all the dry ingredients together. So the oats, the sugar, baking soda and salt. We just mix them all together. Then we're just going to add 1 pint of buttermilk. So just mix it together, making sure there's no dry bits. So this is enough to get us 3 loaves. We can either do them in the loaf tin or in a round tin. Doesn't really matter. So we're going to do 1 in a loaf tin. So it's about 420 grams. Oats on top of that, and with a knife and a bit of flour, just cut it down the middle. So that's 1. So with the rest, we're going to just add some chopped dates. So I just got some pitted dates from the shop. They're pitted, and I just chopped them up. So there's about 150 grams to go into the rest of them. I mean, you could add a bit more or a bit less. You could also add sultanas or raisins or whatever you want. Just mix it evenly mixed round. And again, 450 grams for this because you've added the dates. A few oats. And again, just put across with a knife. And the last. Again, a few oats, and again with a floured knife, just put across them. So we're going to bake these in an oven about 210 degrees for 30 minutes approximately. But all ovens are different in everybody's house. You'll see in your own oven the time and temperature you need. Okay folks, so there you have it. It's about 35 minutes bake, so hopefully you'll get something looking a bit like this. So good luck and keep sending your posts to the website. Thank you.